let us talk about a story of a young lady in Kenya. This is the story of Mary, entitled Living for God. Mary was born deaf in Kenya. Her parents died when she was still a child, and a kind uncle raised her. Her uncle wanted her to go to school, but she could not understand the lessons in public school. Her uncle searched for a school for deaf children, but the tuition was expensive. He was a corn farmer, and life was difficult for them. When Mary and her uncle attended a camp meeting, a pastor recommended that she be enrolled in a Seventh-day Adventist boarding school for deaf children. The school was far away, and they had little money, but her uncle sold corn to pay for transportation. At the school, Mary was warmly welcomed and told that her tuition fee was free. She stayed in the dormitory and began a new life. Mary was happy. The offering in the past helped expand the Mwata Adventist School for Deaf Children in Kenya, including a new dormitory and dining hall. Thank you for your support, which continue to help children to know Jesus. This quarter's 13th Sabbath offering will help another school in Kenya, the Marisha Advent Community Nursery School, which also teaches children about Jesus. Thank you very much for supporting this important project.